They say imitation is the sincerest form of flattery, which is probably why I'm still waiting for someone to imitate me. I'll bet you didn't know animals do imitations. You just have to know what you're looking at.
Now what's he doing? Dribbling the ball.
Animals are great impressionists. Here's one thrilling a crowd with an impression of an old basketball player during the old-timers game. Notice how he's drooling all over the ball?
You sure he wasn't a circus?
Get him.
Ah, here's one of my favorites. An impersonation of The Sopranos. Later on, he'll gag the guy and throw him in a trunk. For those of you who love the thrill of Las Vegas, here's one of that city's biggest entertainers impersonating a roulette ball. And here's a cat simply mimicking his dad at last year's New Year's Eve party. What's entertaining, short, and funny? No, not me. The commercials. We'll be back after these breaks.